Hi students, welcome back. In previous video we are discuss about the nomenclature of alcohols, that is common name system and IUPAC system. In that video we are discuss about the IUPAC nomenclature of phenols, a common name and IUPAC nomenclature of phenols. Nomenclature of phenols. First upon a common name system. The common names of phenols have prefix artho, meta, and para for substituents, for substituting groups. That is, you are already known about it. Artho, meta, para, the position of the substituents indicated in the common name system. See here, there is some examples. That is a benzene ring, which is in which one hydrogen of benzene is substituted by that hydroxyl group. Then that molecule is known as phenol. The common name of that molecule is phenol. When only one hydrogen is replaced by one hydroxyl group, then it is named as phenol. That phenol, there is also one substituted. That means in phenol, the second one hydrogen of the benzene ring is substituted by another group. That group is methyl group. If there is another one substituent at the second position, the position on the benzene rings, that is, it is where the CH3 is attached, that position is known as 2, 3, and the last one is 4. First position the hydroxyl group, second position CH3 group, then after third position, then after 4, then after 5, then after 6, as like that. If the position 2, 3, 4, the position 2 is known as artho, the position 3 is known as meta, and the position 4 is known as artho by the common name system. Then the name of that compound is O. O means artho. At the second position, O. O cresol. The name of that compound is arthocresol. The next example, if the substituent is replaced at the fourth position from the hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl group is here. It is the first position. That one is second. It is third, and that one is fourth position. If the substituent is replaced at the position fourth from the hydroxyl group, then that position is known as para position. Then it is indicated by P, that is para. The name of that substituent is nitro, that is nitro, and the benzene ring which is directly attached to hydroxyl group is known as phenol, that is para nitro phenol, as like that. Then after the next example, that is when there is a 2 hydroxyl group, that means dihydric phenol. It is a dihydric phenol. The position of hydroxyl group to each other, if it consider 1, then it considered as a 3, that is 1, 2, 3. The position of hydroxyl group as 1, 3, then that compound or that molecule is known as a resorcinol. It is known as a resorcinol. If the position as like 1, 2, it is also dihydric phenol, but the position of hydroxyl group as a 1, 2, the first group OH group is considered 1 and it is second, that is, if 1, 2 position, then these are known as catechol. These are known as catechol. If the position of 2 hydroxyl groups at the 1, 4 position, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4 position, then it is known as hydroquinone. The name of that compound is hydroquinone or quinol. Simply quinol is also known as 1,4 position of an hydroxyl group, that is dihydric phenol. The second example is trihydric phenol. There is 3 hydroxyl group attached to a benzene ring at the position 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. See here, 1, at the one position, second, third, fourth and fifth. 1, 3, 5 position, that is equal distance from each other. Then that name of that compound is chloroglycinol. The name of that compound is chloroglycinol. But there is some limitation to the common name system to naming the complicated or more substituted phenols. The new updated system, that is IUPAC system. IUPAC system uses the locant 2, 3, 4, etc. to indicate the position of substituents. There is no ortho meta para in a IUPAC system, but it is 2, 3, 4 position as like that. If only one hydrogen is replaced by hydroxyl group, that molecule is known as benzene, or it is also known as phenol. Phenol is a common name, but it is also accepted by the IUPAC system. So by the IUPAC name, IUPAC system, we can also known as it is a phenol, because phenol, the name phenol is also accepted by IUPAC system. Then the name of that compound is benzenol oblique phenol. The second one example, when there is one substituent at the second position, the name of that substituent is methyl. Then write the position of substituent, that is second position, that is 2. The name of substituent methyl, 2-methyl, and the name of the parent chain, that is phenol, that is 2-methyl phenol, as like that. If the substituent at the fourth position, then write the position of first upon write the position of the substituent, that is 4. Name of that substituent, that is nitro, that is nitro, 4-nitro, and the parent chain, that is phenol, that is phenol, 4-nitro phenol. It is very simple to naming by IUPAC system. Then after, when it is a dihydric phenol, that means which contains 2 hydroxyl group, the position of 2 hydroxyl group are indicated by the numbers, that is, and in that example consider the parent chain as a benzene ring. So first upon write benzene 1, 2, or 1, 2, that is the position of 2 hydroxyl group, 1, 2. There is 2 hydroxyl group, so the suffix, that is di, all means alcohol or a hydroxyl group. The benzene 1, 2 diol, the name of that compound. If the position is changed, that is 1, 3 position, then it is also very simple. Write first upon benzene as a parent chain, the position of hydroxyl group, that is 1 and 3. So write 1, 3. There is 2 hydroxyl group, so diol, that is benzene 1, 3 diol, the name of that compound. Then after the next example, the position of hydroxyl group is 1, 4. In the common name, that is the para position, but in the IUPAC name, that is 1, 4 position. If as like that example, then write first upon the benzene ring, benzene. Then after write the positions 1, 2, 3, 4. At the fourth position, the second hydroxyl group is attached. So write benzene 1, 4 diol, as like that. When it is a trihydroxyphenol, that means it contains 3 hydroxyl group in a benzene ring. Then write first upon the parent chain considered as a benzene. Then after write down the positions, that is consider it is 1, 2, 3. At the third position, there is 1 hydroxyl group, 4, 5. At the 5 position, there is also 1 hydroxyl group, that means 1, 3, 5. Then write benzene 1, 3, 5. There is 3 hydroxyl groups, so write the prefix tri, and the hydroxyl group or alcoholic group, so OL, that is 1, 3, 5 triol. The name of that compound is benzene 1, 3, 5 triol. Same example, but the positions are changed, that is the continuously or adjacent carbon atoms are attached continuously, the hydroxyl group. Then these are written as a 1, 2, 3 triol, that means First upon write the benzene ring, that is the parent chain benzene. Then after consider 1, 2, 3 the position of the hydroxyl groups, that is 1, 2, 3. How many hydroxyl groups are there? There is 3 hydroxyl groups. Okay. Then write the prefix tri. Hydroxyl group OL. That means the benzene 1, 2, 3 triol, as like that. Practice the examples of the phenols by naming using the IUPAC and common name system. Okay, then after the next period will be continued for nomenclature of ethers. Okay, thanks.